Okay, class, what's the first thing we do when we get to a word problem? What are we supposed to do?
Read it.
Isaiah, how many times are you supposed to read it?
2 times.
2 times. Ready? I'll read it first. Isaiah, you read it second. Mr. Richfield recorded the number of apple pies sold at his roadside stand over the last 3 days. He used 24 apple slices in each pie. How many apple slices did he need for all the pies he sold over these 3 days?
Mr. Richfield recorded the number of apple pies sold at his roadside stand over the last 3 days. Stand over the last 3 days. He used 24 apple slices in each pie. How many apple slices did he need for all the apple pies he sold over these 3 days?
Good job. Okay, so I read it twice. What is going on in this problem? Because remember, we do that mind movie, and you're supposed to be picturing it. When I read it, when Isaiah read it, you should have seen Mr. Richfield. What is he doing?
He's
Selling.
He's selling. He's at this stand where?
on the roadside.
On the roadside. So he's right on the side of the road, and he's selling what, Matthew?
Apple pie.
Apple pies. He's got apple pies there. And he said he recorded the number that he sold. Okay? What does the question ask me? What is the question, Bailey?
How many apple slices did he need for all the apple pies he sold over 3 days?
Okay. And it says over how many days?
3 days.
So do I use all 3?
Yes.
Yes, I'm going to. But how am I going to figure out apple slices? Because this says, those say pies. So how am I going to figure out slices? What am I supposed to do there for slices? Helen?
There are 24.
Oh, where'd you get that from?
Up there.
It says it. It tells you. He used 24 apple slices in each pie. That's why we read it twice. Because sometimes the kids will just look at it in 3 days and, okay, I got my numbers.
Multiply.
What am I supposed to do with them?
You're supposed to add.
You're supposed
What are you going to do? I hear Michael saying add. I'm hearing multiplication. Is this a multi-step?
Yeah.
Yes.
I meant
This is definitely a
Multi-step.
multi-step. What should I do first, Victoria?
24 times 55.
I could do this. Then I'd have to do this. And then this. And I would have 3 problems. And then I'd have to add them all.
I thought you did that.
Could I do something instead of working that hard? Because that's a lot of problems. What could I do instead? What should I do first? Isaiah?
You could add.
Yeah, let's just add all the days together. So let's do that. Do it in your journal. Now, I don't want to add 3. I'm going to do 2 at a time. And I want you to do 2 at a time because too many add-ins, we could make a mistake. What is 8 plus 5?
13.
13. 3 in the ones place, 1 in the tens place. 5 plus 5?
10.
1 more?
11.
Okay. What else do I add?
You add another 55.
Another 55. What is 5 plus 3?
8.
8. 5 plus 1?
6.
And bring down my
1.
1. Okay, I'm done.
no.
But my answer is right here.
No.
But you're still not done. You have to multiply.
They are definitely trying to trick me. And I still need to what?
Multiply.
I still need to multiply. Because what is this the number of?
That's the number of fruit pies.
It's the number of pies. Am I supposed to be finding the number of pies?
No, you're supposed to be finding the apple slices.
I'm supposed to be finding the apple slices. And we said that, well, he's made his pies with how many in each? 24. So I'm going to take 168 and do what with it?
You're going to multiply it by 24.
By 24. Good job. Okay, guys, let's do it together. Write it in your journal. Step by step. What is the first multiplication problem that I do? Michael.
8 times 4.
4 times 8. What's 4 times 8?
32.
32. 2 here. Regroup the 3 in the tens place. What do I do next, Bailey?
You multiply 6 times 12 and that equals...
No.
I mean, 6 times 2 and that
No. No. You're supposed to start with that 4. 4 in the ones, then 4 to the tens, then 4 to the hundreds. So I already did 4 to the ones, Bailey. What am I going to multiply next?
4 times 6.
4 times 6. What is 4 times 6?
24.
24. Plus 3?
27.
27. 7 here. 2 in the hundreds. What is the next problem, Madison?
4 times 4 plus the 2 is 6.
Excellent. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. All right, what do I do now?
Oh.
Jackie, what do I do now?
2 times 8.
I do, but what should I do before I even do that? So I don't get confused. What should I cross out?
It's a...
I'm going to cross out that 4. I'm done with my 4. So what do I put under that 2?
It's
0. Why am I putting a 0 there? Who knows why the 0 goes there? Michael?
Because you're done with the ones.
I'm done with the ones place. Now I'm multiplying by the tens, so I need to put a 0 in that ones place. I'm done with it. So, and I also have to make sure I mark off those numbers. I don't want to get confused. I don't want to use them. Tell me what my next multiplication problem is. Matthew.
8 times 2.
2 times 8. What's 2 times 8?
That's 16.
16. 6 here, 1 in the tens. What's my next one, Isaiah?
2 times 6, that equals 12, plus 1 equals 13.
Excellent. 13. So 3 here, carry the 1. What is my next one, Helen?
2 times 1 and it equals 2, and then plus the 1 is 3.
Excellent. 3. What do I do with those two numbers? Everyone.
Add
Add them together. What's 2 and 0?
2.
What is 7 and 6?
13.
13. Carry the 1. What is 6 and 3?
10.
No, 9.
No?
6 and 3 is 9, plus 1 more is
Oh,
10.
dang.
What is 1 plus 3?
4.
4. And cha, comma. What is my answer, everyone?
4,032.
4,032. Now let's go back and look at our problem. Do you see your answer?
Yes.
What answer is it?
J.
It is J. Now again, remember, did you see this one in an answer choice? Yes. They're going to try to trick you. Do not let them. If you know you're doing a multi-step, then you better be doing 2 operations.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Any questions on this one?
No, ma'am.
You guys got it?
Yes.
Excellent.